Hey Northwest, I'm Reagan Holmes, and this is your Northwest Minute. Today is the last day to buy tickets for the homecoming dance. Tickets are $10 in advance and $20 at the door. All fees must be paid before you can buy tickets. Get to the table outside the cafe before 1:30 to buy your tickets. Don't forget to get your morning started right. Visit the Cougar Coffee Shop or Par Mart for morning caffeine, snacks, and other drinks. Both are open Tuesday through Friday during Zero Block. Freshmen have their very own store called Cougar Corner, located in Tom's 111. You can get snacks and drinks at Cougar Corner Wednesday through Friday during Zero Block. Culinary Club FCCLA will have its next meeting Wednesday, October 2nd, during Zero Block in Tom's 118. FCCLA gives students the opportunity to travel the country and participate in competitive events, develop real-world skills that prepare you for college and the workforce, and helps you explore career pathways in family and consumer sciences. If you're interested in joining and have any questions, see Ms. Hughes or Ms. Stringer in Tom's. Tonight, Cougar Volleyball hosts Madison Central in a rivalry match. Come out tonight and cheer for them against the Jaguars. JV starts at 5 and varsity starts at 6. Tryouts for the bowling team are next Monday, September 30th, at Fan Lanes at 4 p.m. You must have an updated Dragonfly account to try out. If you have any questions, see Coach Lisette in room B115. The Library Media Center is open on Tuesday and Thursday mornings for free tutoring during Zero Block. Scan this QR code to be matched with a tutor in any subject. See Miss Buffington in Tom's or Miss Summerall and Miss Winstead, Miss Yates, or Miss Curry in the main building or one of the librarians for more information. The Northwest Minute is news for the student, by the student. I'm Reagan Holmes, and thanks for watching.